What's up, YouTube? So I'm back yet again with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how I caught more than 100 pips on NASDAQ during New York session. So stay tuned. So I can zoom it a little bit in so that I can see the chart clearly, and then from that I can see there was a rally all the way from 1st of August, I think somewhere around last week, and then there was up to this resistance level at 23,274, and then there is this big drop that happened on 5th of August. And then I noticed there was this break of structure that happened here. There was this previous high point that was taken out by this impulsive move. So there was a correction to the where the break of structure occurred. Yeah. So that gives us. So I marked that zone with this rectangle so that I was keen to take my buys around that zone. And then also I noticed there was this I normally call it a bearish flag or a falling wedge that started all the way from here. You can say this one is the pole. Yeah. And then now this one is the flag, the one that I've marked. Let me use an arrow to show you. So this one is the flag. So normally when you see this one on your chart, it's a symbol, it signifies a trend continuation. So since we were in an uptrend, I knew very well that we were going to continue with the buys. But then the next question that I asked myself was, which point was it okay for me to enter in for a long position? So that is when I drew my support level here, which I marked by the gray rectangle, as you can see. And then my job now was to wait for candlestick reaction around that zone, after which I saw a very good doji forming at around 1 p.m. So that was I was going to take my entry there, but I was not so sure with the confirmation, so I had to wait for another confirmation, which was this bullish engulfing pattern that formed at around 2 p.m. So if you can see, that is where I took my entry, my long position at around 2 p.m. Immediately after the bullish engulfing pattern formed, I took my entry there, and then my stop loss was below the zone. So it was giving me a risk to reward of 1:3.5, which is not so bad. It's quite okay according to me. So in the subsequent hours, we had this push all the way to our take profit. So that is how I was able to use price action and candlestick pattern to get this good move on NASDAQ today. So if you like this type of content, you can click to subscribe and share my content so that you can be notified whenever I post new content like this. Cheers, and see you in the next video.